Hello friend, welcome to my garage, welcome to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have in my shop today this beautiful 2007 Toyota Avalon with approximately 175,000 miles, and it came for the thorough inspection. By the way, by the luxury measures, I believe this is a hidden treasure. I drove many of these on test drives in the past working for the dealer, and I believe this is absolutely great, luxurious vehicle. That V6 actually moves it really quickly. I don't think there is any need for V8. The interior on this generation is just stunning. It's beautiful. One day I definitely want to own one, because driving it's like on the cloud. It's really good. But back to our inspection, what I want to show you is, I checked the engine oil. It's somewhere between on the dipstick, right here. It's old, so we will be doing the engine oil change. But one of the very important things on the engine is the cooling. And where is the coolant? It's right here, and this is completely empty. And this generation, this engine is 2007 Avalon, there should be Toyota super long life coolant, which is somehow pink in the color, It's like a light pink color, so you can clearly see there's absolutely nothing. Oh, that might be a problem. So let's go and look on the radiator. Radiator cap was hidden, it was not visible, and was hidden underneath this plastic shield. So that was held by these little fasteners. Some of them were missing, I don't know why. This is first time I work on this vehicle, so I removed that just to speed it up for you. And now I have to make absolutely sure there is a coolant actually in the radiator, which is underneath this part. Now, as they instruct you, never open when hot, never ever, So I have this car here already hour. I had to run to the post office, so I immediately postponed that, I didn't open it when it came. And let's see if there is anything. This is completely empty. There's absolutely not one drop of it. So I wonder why. Once again, this is my first time. This car will be my responsibility in the future, So it's a new customer. So let's see. And look, it's wet. And you see that color there, It's kind of dark, but I believe there will be super long life coolant. And if I'm looking correctly, the level is all the way up to here. So in this case, I'm not worried anymore. The system has a coolant, and I just have to fill up to the correct level, which you can see here low, and here you can see full. I have to fill it up for the owner, I don't want this vehicle leaving with this expansion tank empty. So let's go and do that. I always use a funnel to avoid any spills. It's way faster to go grab the funnel, See, normally this pipe will be sitting in the coolant, but it's barely touching because there's like a tiny few millimeters level of it. So I will put it on this rack. I don't want that coolant all over here, Using the funnel, and we will go all the way to the F. This is what we using, This is what's supposed to be there. Hopefully you will also catch and see the color, When I'm pouring it, and then you will see how it looks in that container. A very light color. The long life, it's kind of dark red, Super long life, it's like a light pinkish color. Is it coming up? How far am I? I don't want to also overfill it. Okay. This, we will make sure. Oh yeah, it's right here. at the F. The color is kind of light, so it might be hard to see, but I will show you close up. So let's do that promised close up, right? Very hard to see here, but it's right here on the F. You can see the color inside, right? So I need to put this tube, which now will be able to bring coolant to the radiator if needed. You need to click it all the way, right? So this is correct. This is just possible overflow, right? And here we go. I will replace this. Well, first I will clean that residue here. So the seal from the rubber, it's perfect, right? This seems to be in the good condition. I don't see that rubber cracked or anything, so I can definitely reuse this. I don't think this part needs to be replaced. And click, and the second one. And that's basically we are done, right? And I will feel better when this customer drives this wonderful Avalon, that they are safe and the engine will not overheat. Of course, it will be written in my report, right? There will be note that this was done, and anytime in the future this vehicle comes back, I will be immediately looking how is level in this expansion tank. And that was it for this video about the coolant, how it's supposed to be done and so on. Make sure you are subscribed, because the next video we will go back to that wrecked Scion I bought from Copart, and I will be removing those aftermarket lug nuts. I got even the rim which is missing, as you know. So there will be a bunch of excitement in that video, so make sure you will not miss it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.